Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the 3 little whale location in Heartopia Call of Whales event. Okay, let's get into it guys. For day 3, we need to find this orange little whale, and I'm going to show you the location so you can take a photo of it. You're going to go to the Whale Canyon, and you're going to go to this building. Wait, let me show you on the map. Okay, right here on the first floor, and then you will see this orange little whale, and don't forget to take a photo of it. Open up your camera, and this is the orange splash whale. I'm going to take a photo of it. Okay, done. And for the bubble, it's around here guys. Still on the first floor, this one, and you will get the orange splash whale urinator. Okay guys, and that's the day 3 little whale location in Heartopia Call of Whales event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.